Hi everyone. So either I have forgotten that I ordered parts for the Subaru or my heads finally just showed up. So let's open these boxes and pray for me that it's my heads. All right, let's get these bad boys open. No, missed it by a bit. Please, 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 please. Oh, it is. Okay, so these are the heads that I sent off to be built. Oh my God. Oh, everything's looking good. Both heads. Let's turn this bad boy over. Everything looks good. Woot woot! Eek! Well, my heads look amazing. Shout out to JJ Auto Works. Thank you, Juan. And I guess this means we can move forward.